First we do this multiplication. 10 over 10 times 20. 10 over 10 gives us 1. So 1 times 20 is just 20. So 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 20 divided by 10 over 10. Okay? First of all, this fraction equals 1. So we have 20 divided by 1. Okay? Which equals 20. So we have 20 times 20. Gives us 400. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 400.